everybody. My name's Laura Hunter. Welcome to my Thursday Live. This is my special guest, Tori. Yes, she is the Tori of Tori Belle, my daughter Victoria. Yay! And she is going to help me do my pro tip today. So today, our pro tip is how to use the Mermaid or Unicorn kits to add some sparkle to your everyday makeup looks. And for those of you who don't know, these are designed by Victoria. So this is Tori's line. And we are going to show you guys how to use it. In the Unicorn, we have all over body shimmer for lips, eyes, body, everywhere. And then we have this awesome, adorable eyeshadow shimmer glitter palette. And this is my favorite. Oh, and I love this. The Unicorn horn brush, which is a really nice brush.
That was a must.
It was a must, yes. And I gotta get this out of here.
Oh, it's a little stuck in there.
And our purple holographic all over glitter.
It's so holographic.
It is. Okay, show them what's in yours.
Okay, so this one, it's three things. Oh, that's harder. Okay, so it's three things, but all of them are multi-use because we like convenience here.
Yeah.
So this one is, it could be used as lipstick or body glitter. Mm-hmm. Body glitter is my personal favorite.
And it's shimmers
and
too.
And shimmer, or highlight that too.
Yeah, and it's all over.
All the glitters.
Yes.
And then,
so this one, like that one's pink, and this one's like a clear iridescent.
Yeah. And then this one's more like a blushy color, and you can use it for blush, highlighter.
Highlighters.
It's the best highlighter. I use it all the time.
Yeah.
And it has a cute little mirror. You know. And then and then for the very last one,
yes, see
they're kind of similar.
The pink and the purple. This was pink, and this one's purple. The iridescent glitters.
The best colors, in my opinion.
You designed these. Tell us what's special about the glitter.
It's biodegradable.
Yes, it's biodegradable.
Kind of amazing for the environment.
Right. It's not made out of plastics. It's biodegradable. It's safe for kids. It's safe for grown-ups. It's safe for dogs and cats and all the things that are alive. And this is adult quality makeup, you guys. So don't feel like, oh, I'm going to get this for my kids and it's going to be like crappy makeup. It's not. This is like adult quality, amazing makeup for grown-ups and kids. What do you want to show them on your makeup, like a teen appropriate way to add some sparkle?
Well, I was thinking with these ones. Oh, okay, this one really likes to flop around low. Oh, like a fish.
Like a fish.
And so I was thinking maybe some like highlighteriness, some body glitter, because it's shimmery.
Let's see it.
Okay.
All right, so while she's preparing hers, I'm going to use this adorable little, I love this because it looks like a pearl. Okay, so I'm going to go with highlighter with this guy, since I'm a grown-up. This is like super easy. I do love this container because, it's just easy to put on. A little bit blendy. It's appropriate. All right, what are you going to do with yours?
All right, so I'm going to look in the mirror for this one. So I was thinking, a little bold here, but right there.
Yeah.
Is one collarbone?
Yeah, that's collarbone.
Okay, there you go. That's my collarbone. I was just checking. And then one right there. You got it.
Okay, they're going to spread it around.
Oh, that was kind of off. It's fine.
There you go. Spread it around. Show them get some shimmer going.
Let's
see. That's good. Don't wipe it off.
Oh, that's probably not.
Yeah, you do a little shimmering. See, shimmering.
All the shimmers. You can see.
There we go. Yes, very cute. Cute little pink shimmer.
And then.
So, you're going to use that. I love that as highlighter.
It's the best highlighter.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to use this because, And then we're going to do a little right there. A bit. Highlighter hack.
Yeah, I love it. All right, so I'm going to do a little eyeshadow here, but I'm going to use this with my eyeshadow too. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm wearing my Tori Belle, so I guess there's no particular color. I'm going to go with the purple. I'm feeling purpley. I love purple. My brush, and it is a medium size angle eyeshadow brush, in case you're wondering. All right, so I'm going to do just my lid with the purple. And I'm just tapping it on. Tapping is always better, you guys. Because that way you're not just like flipping it off. So you can always already see. Flipping it off doesn't sound right, does it? That's not a nice way to say it. Okay. Tori said something funnier earlier. When we sat down, she could see us both and she's like, Mom, I think my head is the same size as your head. Is that a good thing?
I think it's a great thing.
Okay, does it mean you're like growing up or something?
I don't know. I just noticed it.
Okay.
Wait, see?
Where are you? There you go.
Right here.
No, my head is way bigger than your head.
Okay. Well, I was a little forward then. I was like right here.
Okay.
Because, rolling chair.
Rolly chair. Okay, so there we go. I've got my purple going. And now I'm going to do the pink on top of it. I'm just going to do like a little halo. Oh, I love that. There we go. I'm going to go right up to eyebrow. Pretty.
Oh, it's so.
It is. All right. How about you? What's your next plan?
Okay, so I was thinking we could also do some eyeshadow with this again because, you know, multi-use.
Mm-hmm. You can use my brush.
Oh,
if you
that's
want.
a good idea.
Kids often have just use their fingers, but we have, you know, of course, whole brush set and everything.
Okay.
And there's brushes there too if you want to use
Oh, I'm gonna use that.
them. Okay.
Oh, which one should I use?
This looks like a good one.
Okay, I'll use this one. And it's not a unicorn horn, but it's still a good, great brush. So, yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah,
All right,
use
so
one.
what's your plan? Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the top, right,
Have your lid?
of my lid.
Here, we can take this back.
Oh,
so
that's
you
a-
don't have to be so
That's a great idea. Okay.
smooshed.
So I was thinking a little extra on there because, you know.
There you go.
And then I was thinking on the other side, we could do the exact same thing. Make sure it gets all across the lid, but not too high because I don't want it to touch my eyebrow. And yeah, there we go.
There we go. That is very teen appropriate. I like it. All right. So now I am going to take my purple glitter, which goes with my purple eyeshadow, and I'm going to do this. This stuff is really, really like
Oh,
this is
so holographic.
yeah, super holographic, and it's got a ton of color. So I'm just going to tap it, and then I'm going to blend it in a second. Do the front half here.
Oh, it goes with your sparkle lash.
It does.
That is amazing.
I love this. Is the of all of the stuff or glitters. I love these holographic glitters. I love holograms. I like holographic clothes. I like all the holograms. And then I'm just gonna use my pinky there and just tap it a little just to blend. There we go. What do you think?
You are beautiful.
Thank you. And I'm gonna do a little on my lips. Not a ton, because I don't want it to be like overwhelming, but just to add a little sparkle.
Ooh, should I put a little on my lips to make it match?
Yeah, and then we
Okay,
can match it.
I already have a little gloss on, but you know, later that.
You have, what gloss do you have on?
I have, which one is it?
I think you have on Passion Pink,
Oh, what's the best
24K.
I really love pink.
She does. Are you planning any other amazing products?
Ooh, okay, wait, let me put this on real quick. Okay.
I like the purple. Purple looks good. If you guys could see me in real life, since my eyes are hazel green, purple makes my eyes look greener. They already look greener. I can like see them. You look good.
For the next product, right?
Yep, tell them.
Okay, so we were thinking some perfume sort of thing.
I like it.
Because, well, what's better than perfume?
Right? Everybody likes perfume.
Everyone
Everybody
loves
wants to smell good. I wonder if everybody would like to give us some ideas of what kind of scents they would like.
Ooh.
So, do you want to do like a mother-daughter, like that go together, or do you just want to do a kid scent? You want to do an adult scent? You want to do something that's kind of everybody? Do you have any?
Maybe.
Do you have any notes? Like, do you want like candy smell, floral smell, woodsy?
I was thinking we could do something kind of fun, a little bit of fruity or something like that.
Fruity's nice.
Because
She loves fruit.
I love fruit so much.
She does. She eats nothing but potatoes and fruit.
Yeah.
Like, she's pretty much made of potatoes and fruit.
Whatever you eat.
Yeah.
I'm
Potatoes and
basically a
fruit.
charcuterie board.
Yeah.
So I was thinking some like adult, some kid mix around there. Useful.
So everybody can use it,
Yeah.
kind of a thing. A nice neutral scent. Okay, I love it. You have been a lovely guest. Thank you so much. Give put them on.
I love you.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Bye bye.